At number 3, we have the Dyson Ball Animal 2. The Ball Animal 2 delivers exceptional suction power at 270 air watts, making it one of the most powerful upright vacuums available. The vacuum features a self-adjusting cleaner head with a 13.4-inch cleaning path that automatically adapts to different floor surfaces, from carpet to hardwood. Its signature ball technology enables tight turning and improved maneuverability, though at 17.4 pounds it is notably heavy. The whole machine HEPA filtration system effectively traps allergens and bacteria. The 35-foot power cord provides extensive reach, while the 0.55-gallon bin capacity allows for extended cleaning sessions. The package includes useful attachments like a tangle-free turbine tool for pet hair and a combination tool for versatile cleaning. While the vacuum excels in deep cleaning performance, its powerful suction can make it challenging to push on high-pile carpets. The build quality is robust, featuring durable plastics that withstand regular use.